Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through how to create 3D AI effect images. 3D AI effect images. When you want to use 3D to generate AI images, I'll walk you through. First, you launch your browser like this. You type bing.com, bing.com. Type bing.com. Type bing.com, or you search for bing.com. Please watch the video to end so that you will not mix any information or any steps. If you are new to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel? When you type the bing.com like this to bring you here, you see there's a 3 lines dot. You click here. If you haven't created an account, please create the account. I have not created the account, so I don't have account, so I'll create an account. Follow the steps to not miss any steps or any information. Let's go. 3 lines dot. You click there. You see sign in. You click that thing. Then you click to bring you here. You see create one. You click. If you have an account, you continue. But if you don't have, like mine, you create one. Here you see get a new email address, so you click on it and you type a name that you want to use. So I'll type a name. I'll type a name here. I'll type a name I want to use. I'll click next. So it is asking me to create a password. So I'll create a password. So you create a password. After you finish, you click next. Here it is asking you for your first name. So you type good. I have created the account. Let me show you something. The 3 lines I'll click. First it was sign in, where the woman head down there. You see, first it was sign. Now it is a name, which means I have done with the sign in. So what I will do is, see on the top you see a 3 dot 3 on the right hand side top. You see there's a dot 3. I'll click on the dot. Here you see desktop site. You click on the desktop site. Good. So it is creating desktop site. It is creating. Good. It has finished creating desktop site. I will zoom it small for you to see. You see, let me zoom it small again. See images. You click on the images. You click on the image. So you click on the image. It's loading. Good. It has finished loading. So when it comes like that, it will give you plenty images here. So here you see on the top, let me zoom it for you to see. You see create. So you click on the create. You click on it, and I click, it will bring you here. And you see this bar. When you click create, it will bring you here. It's this image. So I will zoom it. So that's how it will bring you. And you type the type of image that you want to generate. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. Follow the steps so that you not mix any information. So you type any text that you want it to generate. So I'll type my test. So this is a test I want to generate. So generate a 3D test effect with the name Bisimai blog. Bisimai in a large format with beautiful 22-year-old girl sitting on the Bisimai blog test. So here, when you finish, you click on join and create. So I'll click on it. Yes, it's generating. Yes, it has finished. Let me zoom. It has finished generating. Yes, 23-year-old girl sitting on the Bisimai blog. Yes. So it has finished generating. So whatever you want, you type and it will generate for you. Whatever you want it to, you type. So when you want to download, let me show you. You click on the image, it will become big. And you click on the image. You see download here on the down there. You click download. Because of network, it hasn't opened. So you click download, it will download. It will download. Yeah, this is it. The network is not strong at my end, so it has downloaded. It has downloaded. And another one, if you create something, it's not nice to you, you can also put a different text and click on create. So you can change the text, and change the text. It also create different thing for you. So depending how you want it, and you create it too. Depending how you want it to create for you. Yes. See, first it was a lady, now it's a gentleman. First it was a lady, now it's a gentleman. So this is how to use Bing to create 3D effect. Can you subscribe to the channel? Now it's a gentleman. First it was a lady, now it's a gentleman. Yes. Bye bye.